As the flood recovery and cleanup continues in many local communities, some flood victims are only now learning they will have to foot the bill to replace damaged property. Andy Mahalchik explains just some of the woes these homeowners are now experiencing and what you should know to avoid the same problems.
Well, we're cleaning up. It was a lot of pumping out.
Dorothy Schaefer shows us the damage caused by flash flooding. Her basement is a mud bog. We first met her Monday morning when floodwaters swept through her neighborhood on Tulpehocken Street in Pine Grove, putting at least 5.5 feet of water in her cellar. You were saying that you thought you had protection with your homeowner's insurance, and then what did you find out?
You don't have it. They don't cover it. And I don't have flood insurance, so I'll cover everything out of my own pocket if I have to.
And she is not alone. Many of her neighbors say they too thought they were covered, and none bought insurance specifically intended for flooding.
My homeowner's insurance is sky high. So for me to put $1,500 out a year for homeowners, and then heaven forbid whatever flood insurance is, that's a lot.
The average homeowner's insurance policy typically covers water damage from broken pipes, roof leaks, sewage backup, even sump pump failure. But in most cases, it will not cover water damage from storms or floods. Just down the street, Samantha Myers is also cleaning up and will be paying for her losses out of her own pocket as well. In her case, her landlord does not have flood insurance, and her renter's insurance does not cover flood damage.
Saving up money and starting over. Hopefully getting help from family and friends, and that's pretty much all you can do.
You can only purchase flood insurance through the federal government. How much you pay is based on flood zone maps compiled by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA. It can range from $500 a year to several $1,000s. Penny McNeil says she can't afford to pay that, so she tries to prevent damage to personal belongings.
Don't keep valuables in your basement besides what you would really have to, like furnace and things like that, yeah.